Something for your mouth.
No, it's not for your mouth. What else is in your Easter basket, Isabella? Isabella! Come back. What else is in your Easter basket? Look in here. What else is in here? Come on. Yeah.
You want a piece of this Reese's stuff?
No.
No?
No thanks.
Yes, you do.
I do.
Good.
Oh, where's the... Thank you.
Take it outside?
Don't you want it to be cold?
No.
It would be so much better. Look, these are for play fun too.
What's that?
Look at your little eggs.
You want to take it outside?
Sure. Is Daddy blowing bubbles for Isabella? Bubbles for Jimbo. Bubbles for Isabella. Bubbles for Isabella.
Isabella.
Bubbles for everyone. Yay! Can you pop them?
That's a cute face.
Can you pop them?
Good girl.
Good girl. I want to get her face. Watch her. There's a hole there. Oh, okay.
There's a hole there.
She hits
See you
it every
later.
time.
See you later.
Where are you going, Pookie?
She likes to walk in this circle. I come back up over here.
Oh, really?
It's funny. Yeah, watch.
I've never seen her do that.
In your hand. Gonna step up. See, you would have fallen.
Ooh, that bee.
Good girl. Good job.
Good girl, Isabella. Yay! Yay for bubbles! Mommy thought that the Easter Bunny did good. I don't know that Isabella agrees.
See, she'll walk in this circle.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Oh, kaboom.
Fall down. Can you get up? Need help?
Like she doesn't want to touch it.
No, she doesn't like to touch it. That's why she's so good at staying up. Good girl.
Hunting for more eggs. Good job. Good girl. Want to put them in the basket? There we go. 1 and 2. Good job. Are there more? I think I see some more. For the basket. Good job. Oh, you got 2. Where are you going with those? Careful. Careful. There's a hole. Oh. Told you. Told you there was a hole. Can you get up?
Ow.
Oh, that one's purple. Can you say purple? Oh, I see a yellow one. Oh, you just walked past it. Careful.
Oh.
Those are Cheerios. Declan spilled one of his eggs. Mm-hmm. Okay. Don't put it in your mouth. But you got to get rid of some here. Oh, wow. Good job, Isabella. No, don't put it in your mouth. Put them in the bucket. Put them in your basket. Isabella, you're not going to be able to carry all those. Okay. Do with them what you want. See, I told you. You dropped the pink one. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh. Want to put them in your basket? Nope. Now you really can't pick up that many all at once. Here. You want to put them in your basket? Careful. No, don't stand on the chair. Take a step. There you go.